Now I'm going to explain you how to go over with felty pens this exercise. So I need the felty pens 0.8, 0.4 and 0.2. To do the frame, to go over the frame, I'm going to use the 0.8 felty pen. I remind you to go over with felty pens, and the position of the ruler is important because otherwise the paper could get dirty and we have to repeat everything from the beginning, and well, it's a little bit disgusting to have to do everything from the beginning, so you have to be very careful to do that. So remember that I have to put in this position the ruler. You don't need to do that with the set square, just with the ruler is okay. And I start with the horizontal lines. This line I'm going to do with 0.4. Remember that after to go over with felty pens, we have to erase the marks of the pencil, because will be cleaner. Notice that I do it slowly. Notice I didn't pass the ruler over the lines because I don't want that the paper gets dirty. Now I'm going to do these other lines, the vertical lines. And the last line, I turn the paper because in this way I know that the paper will not move. Okay, so the frame is done. Now I'm going to do another part important of the frame, that is to write the data. So I will need the 02 name, surname. I don't write my name and the surname. It's your name and your surname. Course, date, the name of the school, exercise 8, sheet 3, and the name of the unit is technical drawing. Okay, and the frame is done. Well, now I'm going to use the 0.4 felty pen, and what I'm going to do with 0.4 is the rectangles. the sides of the rectangles, this line and these lines of the rectangles. The line that separates these two parts and these sides of the rectangle. Now I'm going to do the vertical lines of the rectangles. Okay, and with this this felt tip pen 44, I'm going to do some lines of these rectangles. This with 0.2, this with 0.4, 2, 4, 2, 4, and 2. Okay, so now I'm going to do just the 0.4. This no is this one. No and yes. No and yes. And now I'm going to do the vertical part of these ones. No and yes. No and yes. And the same on the other side. And to finish this rectangle, I have to change the felt tip pen and I have to take the 0.2 and do the lines, the rest of the lines. And now I'm going to do the vertical part of this. Once I will finish to go over these, the lines of the rectangle. This rectangle is finished. Now we are going to do this one. With this one, we will use these two felt tip pens, 0.4 and 0.2. 0.4 is for this line, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, yes. This is yes, no, yes, no, and yes, no, and yes, and finally, no, and yes. And with the horizontal lines the same. So this is 2, 0, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, and 2. So no, and yes, and be careful, don't write in the middle until here, and this no, and yes, stop, and stop, no, and yes, stop, and so now the rest of the lines with 0, 2. And the last one. And now I have to do these lines of 45 degrees of a slope. And this exercise is almost finished because it will be finished completely when I erase all the pencil marks. But well, this is something that you have to do alone. Okay, so bye bye.